everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here. Today's video is going to be awesome, so get ready. Did you know our noses do more than just smell? In this video, we'll uncover the amazing functions of this incredible organ. The human nose is more than just a facial feature. It's a vital organ with several important functions. Breathing. The primary function of the nose is to allow air to enter and exit the body during respiration. Filtering air. The nasal cavity is lined with tiny hairs called cilia and mucus that trap dust, pollen, and other particles, preventing them from entering the lungs. Warming and humidifying air. The nasal passages warm and moisten the air we breathe in, protecting the delicate tissues of the lungs. Sense of smell. The nose contains millions of olfactory receptors that detect odors. This sense of smell plays a crucial role in our enjoyment of food and drink, as well as in our overall sensory experience of the world. Speech. The nasal cavity plays a role in the production of certain speech sounds. The nose is a complex organ with multiple functions that are essential for our overall health and well-being. Here are the basic structure of the nose. Nasion. The nasion is a bony landmark on the skull that marks the point where the frontal and nasal bones meet, and is also known as the bridge of the nose. Nasal root. The root of the nose, also known as the radix, is the area where the nose meets the forehead and the bridge of the nose begins. Nasal ridge. The midline prominence of the nose, extending from the nasal root to the tip, also called the dorsum of the nose. The ridges in the nasal cavity help with ventilation and drainage of the paranasal sinuses. They also warm and moisten the air that is breathed in. Nasal tip. Nasal tip is the most prominent and visible part of the nose and sometimes can be the only part which bothers you the most. Especially if you have a bulbous tip, droopy tip, wide nostrils, nostril asymmetries, etc. Nasal tip is made of cartilages, muscles, fibrous tissues, minimal fat, and skin layers. Ala. The nasal ala, or ale, is a paired structure in the nose that has several functions. Maintains nasal valve, contributes to nasal symmetry, provides structure. The ala is made up of 3 layers: skin, cartilage, and mucosa. When the ala is damaged, reconstructive surgery may be required to restore these layers. Columella. The columella is a tissue in the nose that has both functional and aesthetic roles. It supports the tip of the nose and is an important facial landmark. The columella is made up of skin, cartilage, and subcutaneous tissue. It extends from the tip of the nose to the upper lip, separating the nose into 2 cavities. Subnasal. The subnasal is a specific anatomical landmark on the human face. It's the point where the nasal septum, the cartilage that divides the nostrils, meets the upper lip. So now you know the basic anatomy of the nose and their functions. This is a simplified explanation, but it gives you a basic understanding of the incredible complexity of the human nose and its vital role in our body. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a new upload. See you next time.